Google is planning to spend more than $1 billion through 2023 to actually pay publishers to create high-quality journalism through what it is calling the Google News Showcase, quoting Axios. This is Google's biggest ever financial commitment to the news industry. In 2018, it pledged $300 million to efforts supporting the news industry. This announcement builds on that effort and its existing news licensing program, where it pays select publishers to feature their stories in Google News and Search. Our approach with Google News Showcase is a very different approach for Google from a product standpoint. It's a new way for us to connect users to stories that matter. It's a new way for us to work with publishers, but to also make money from their content beyond search and news. And of course, it's a new way for Google to support the future of quality journalism. That quote came from Brad Bender, Google's VP of Product Management for News. The Google News Showcase, launching first in Brazil and Germany, includes a new set of features that Google hopes will help guide readers to higher quality information and boost traffic to participating publishers' websites. The biggest feature in the showcase is panels, which allow publishers to package stories with greater context than they can provide now when their stories appear on Google. Publishers can include elements like timelines, bullets, and related articles within one story panel. Eventually, they'll be able to embed video, audio, and daily briefings. The showcase, initially launching on Android and soon on iOS, will first appear within Google News and eventually also in Discover and Search. As part of this effort, Google says it will offer free access to select paywalled articles on some participating publishers' sites, with the idea being that the extra exposure will one day help publishers convert those visitors to subscribers. The new Showcase product is different from Google Search or News because it relies more heavily on the editorial choices of individual publishers. Panels will still be surfaced by the same algorithms used to rank content in Google News or Search, but within them, publishers will be curating what's featured. Bender says it's selecting publishers on a country-by-country basis. Quote, "We need to have enough of a critical mass of publisher content to be able to launch in a country," he says. From there, it will prioritize publishers that have established audiences and serve a community like local news publishers and print newspapers, end quote.